Hello children, welcome back to my talks, and here today as promised I am back with the solutions of your pre-midterm examination biology paper. Okay, so you must be waiting patiently for it. So let us start once again. Now the very first question. Okay, the paper was of 10 marks. I told you physics, chemistry and biology all 10 marks. So 30, and then we'll make it out of 20. Okay, so whatever marks has to be sent to the board, that will decide later. You don't have to worry about it. We'll add and we'll do. So this, what I'm talking about, is 10 marks biology. The first question, children, was in variegated leaf experiment, why is the leaf boiled in alcohol? This was for 1 marks. Many of you have written that for the starch test, it is boiled in water, then in alcohol. All that not required. So be to the point. 1 marks question it was. In variegated leaf experiment, okay, the leaf was boiled in alcohol in order to make it colorless, in order to remove the chlorophyll from the leaf. All those of you who have written this, I have given you marks over there. Simple. The second one, why are arteries thick-walled? Very simple, children. Many of you have written because it carries the blood with high pressure. But why? You have to write that arteries normally carry the bloods away from the heart. The heart pumps the blood through the arteries to different parts of the body, and that is why the blood comes with a very high blood pressure, very high pressure, and in order to bear that, it has got thick wall. So have all the points there. It is just of 1 marks. So that I was expecting. Those of you who have not written, I have not given you marks. And personally asking, you are not going to fetch because the paper was very easy. Third question, name the site of exchange of gases in human beings. This was also for 1 marks, and here you just had to write that the site of exchange of gases in human beings is alveoli, which is situated in the lungs. Many of you have just written alveoli. Okay, this is not the way to write. Okay, for the boards also I'm letting you know, write in complete sentences. Okay, the spelling should be correct. Everything, the format has to be correct. No cutting, no rubbing in between. All that not required. The fourth question, how is the small intestine designed to absorb digested food? Yes, quite many of you have got marks over here. So the small intestine, the inner wall of the small intestine has got finger-like projections, okay, which is called villi, and villi, it increases the surface area for absorption, and that is why maximum of the nutrients are absorbed, okay, through those villi, which is there in the small intestine, and that is why it plays a very important role in digestion. So this is for 2 marks. Define transpiration. Now transpiration, many of you have not defined transpiration. Transpiration again is loss of water from the leaves and from the aerial parts of the plants. If you have written that through the stomata. And how does it benefit the plants? Yes, cooling the plants and all that. Okay, even pulling the transport of water, pulling the water to the leaves. Okay, so all that there. If you have written everything, then I have given you. Maximum of you have done. Some of you have not done. I have not. Draw a well-labeled diagram of nephron and label Henle's loop, Bowman's capsule, glomerulus and collecting duct. Yes, the 6th part. All of you all, maximum of you have drawn the diagrams, but then your diagram is very rough. Children, this particular question was for 3 marks. Got it? So if your diagram is rough, definitely I have given you 2 marks, 1.5 marks. Okay, then don't tell me that I have attempted all the questions, I did not get marks. So the Bowman's capsule has to be correct. The Bowman's capsule, okay, it has to be a double-layered wall. So it has to be a double-layered wall. Okay, here it's not like this as if the birds are flying. It should not be. This is not the way that you get marks. So Bowman's capsule, then the Henle's loop. Okay, from here originates the Henle's loop. So when the Henle's loop, both the ascending limb and the descending limb, dono limb, ascending, no, that's not required. So ascending limb and descending limb, both of them are required as Henle's loop. एक को Henle's loop नहीं बोलेंगे, loop यानी 2. तो जो नीचे की तरफ आ रहा है Bowman's capsule से, जो ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है, बेटा, very well explained in my videos. So as I told you, do watch the videos many times. All the questions were there. Okay, so Henle's loop, Bowman's capsule has to be very well. Glomerulus, Yes, like blood capillaries you have to show, you don't have to show anyhow. And collecting duct, yes, the collecting duct, it opens into collecting duct. So this was all, and quite many of you have got 10 marks, 9 marks, 9.5 marks. So not to worry, it was good. Okay, you have done well, and you will get quite many other chances also to be answering the paper. So do concentrate in your studies. Pay lots of attention to the diagrams. See that your notes are complete. Okay, paper will be easy, but the thing is that you should be able to answer. And I hope that you all have been truthful. सच्चाई से आपने पेपर को आंसर किया है, कोई बुक खोल के नहीं किया है, ये आशा करती हूँ. Okay, and I want to believe all of you all. I want to have faith. I want to trust. Do keep watching the videos. Again, if you have not subscribed, do subscribe, because I've started with English videos also. How to learn to speak English. बहुत अच्छे अच्छे वीडियोस आ रहे हैं, तो सब्सक्राइब करोगे तब आपको देखने को मिलेगा, अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट. ओके, सो सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल, शेयर एंड गिव अ बिग थम्स अप. थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन, थैंक यू वेरी मच.